Hey, what's up, frugal people? It's Josh. Welcome back to the YouTube channel again. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to calculate the mathematical algebraic formula, which is known as compound interest. So essentially what compound interest is a mathematical formula in which anybody can use to calculate how much money their investment will be worth in the future. So as you guys can see, I am writing the formula. So A equals the future amount, the future value of the investment. P equals the initial principal. In other words, the amount of money you put in initially in your investment. R is the interest rate. N is the number of times it's compounded annually. And the T is the number of times in years. So that's pretty much it. If you deposit $6,500 into an account paying 8% annual interest, compounded monthly, how much money will be in the account after 7 years? So in order to calculate this, you need to write down the compound interest formula. So P is the initial principal, the initial investment, which is $6,500. That's how much money you deposited into your account initially. So R is the interest rate, which is 8%. Now you need to write 8% in a decimal form, which is 0.08%. So after you get done with that, you need to plug it in, divide it by the number of times it's compounded annually, which in this example, it's compounded monthly, which there are 12 months in a year, so it's compounded 12 times. So after you get done with that, you just put in 12 again, and you multiply it by the number of times in years. After you get done with parentheses, it's time to move on to the next step, which is exponents. So do not multiply 6,500 with 1.006666. That is a really common mistake. Whenever I was learning about compound interest, that was what really threw me off. So remember, it's exponents first, then multiplication. So it's 6.006666 times 84, which is 1.74742. And then you do the multiplication, which is 6,500, and you multiply it by 1.74742, which you will receive your final answer, which is $11,358 with 24 cents. That right there is the future amount. In other words, the future investment value of your investment. So that's how you calculate compound interest. I will do more videos like this in the future. Just drop a like, subscribe. I will take stock market examples since you guys love that type of stuff. I do Robinhood updates, and those are the videos that have been blowing up my channel. Blowing up. Well, drop a like, subscribe. Peace out, guys. Be safe.